The Vkndoynt 2000 PSI Cordless Pressure Washer provides robust cleaning power with a maximum flow rate of 2.1 gallons per minute, making it perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. With a high-capacity 5 ampere-hour battery, this portable pressure washer offers up to 25 minutes of continuous operation, ensuring you can tackle extensive cleaning jobs without interruption. Equipped with a brushless motor and a weighted filter, this pressure washer delivers quiet and efficient performance while protecting the motor from debris, making it a reliable choice for various cleaning scenarios. The 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle offers multiple spray patterns, allowing you to switch effortlessly between different cleaning modes, from a fine mist to a powerful jet, to suit any surface or dirt type. Compact and easy to transport, this pressure washer includes a convenient storage box and versatile adapter options, enabling connection to various faucets and garden hoses for on-the-go cleaning. Designed for diverse cleaning applications, this lightweight and cordless pressure washer is ideal for washing cars, driveways, and outdoor furniture, making it an essential tool for both home and garden use.